Hey folks, Mitch with I-95 Muscle. Have a 67 F250 Ranger for you today. It's got its original 352 automatic transmission and rear end. Completely restored 3 years ago. Says frame off restoration. New Michelin tires, the baby moon wheels. Kind of like a NASCAR style dual exhaust in front of each tire. Red interior. Looks really good. See if I can figure this out. Oh, look at me, first try. Oh, it's a heavy hit. But it stays up by itself. New battery with the terminal disconnect. All original style. Heat AC. Power brakes. Power steering. Oh, the emblem's still intact. Give me a chance to hear this exhaust. It's a little windy today, but we'll go for it. It's got dual tanks. The switch to flip the dual tanks is right here. Really cool feature that they added. The rest of the interior is as red as this door panel, but the sun isn't quite working with me today. Rifle rack, suede headliner. Red dash, aftermarket CD player. They did the power window upgrade. So, looks like it's roly-poly, but it's not.
Right now at 800-565-7187. We have one of the largest network of attorneys.
This mileage is said to be original, and the odometer still works. 66,004 miles. I just put 2 of those miles on it going to make sure it had a lot of gas in it. The gas gauge says easy, or says empty, but I went ahead and put some in both tanks since it doesn't seem to be reading correctly. Everything about the truck feels good. Brakes, steering, power. It starts easy. It has that terminal cutoff. If you're not going to drive it every day, you can easily connect and disconnect your battery. Really nice truck. Maybe we can hit that Grand Theft Auto ramp. I miss Grand Theft Auto. I need to play it again. Haven't turned my Xbox on in 4 years. Look into the 8-foot bed that you never have to make. We'll park it up here, give you a chance to see this paint. Our store is located in Fayetteville, North Carolina. We do ship across the country with boomstick transport. Our website's i95muscle.com. That's what our store looks like from the outside. Facebook, Instagram, YouTube channel are all I-95 Muscle. So give us a follow, like, subscribe. There's our lights. We'll hit some wipers. Oh, the washers even work. And there they go. Choke flashers. And a cigarette lighter. There's your knobs for the air conditioning as well. Better look at that paint than where it was parked the first time. Really nice truck. There'll be 50 plus pictures of it on i95muscle.com. Please like and subscribe. Thanks a lot.